Mistake number 6. Lying to your attorney. Many defendants believe that if they tell their lawyer that they are guilty, the lawyer will not fight for them. Most criminal defense lawyers do not even want to discuss whether you are innocent or guilty because it is not relevant to their duty to zealously represent you. Sometimes a defendant is covering for someone else who committed the crime anyway, so an attorney wouldn't necessarily believe the defendant even if he or she admitted it. Defendants also wonder whether the attorney has an obligation to share this information. The answer is no. Everything that you say to your attorney in private is a privileged communication, and the attorney cannot share your statements to the police or anyone else. If your criminal defense attorney asks you whether you're smoking marijuana or not, it's not so the attorney can go run and tell on you. You would have a tough time finding a criminal defense attorney who is an outraged prude. Besides, the conversation is privileged and your attorney can't reveal it anyway. The attorney is asking because if the judge asks him or her whether you can pass a drug test today, the attorney will be able to request 30 days to buy you some more time. If you lie to the attorney, he or she will proudly blast out that you'd be happy to take a drug test at this very moment. And then when you fail it, you're both looking pretty dumb. Additionally, your attorney doesn't want to plead you to something like time served, which means that you don't have to serve any more jail time on top of what you've already served. Only to find out that you failed your first supervised probation drug test a week later. And now your time served offer has turned into a probation violation that can land you right back in jail. So just be honest with them. Even if you are accused of something like raping someone and you did it, tell them what they need to know. The right attorney will not represent you any less passionately. They would just not ask the witness to describe the private parts of the rapist, only to have her spend the next 10 minutes perfectly describing your junk. Instead, the attorney can create a better legal strategy because he or she will have all the available facts.